I don't know whether it's work or not. Anyway, let's see. Let me check my channel first of all, whether it's working or not, okay? Okay, where is that? Okay, now it's working.
Hello, ma'am. Start doing it.
Okay, once again, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Khasi DORA, and this evening I'm not gonna give you guys with team code. I'm gonna pushing rank with my teammates. So road to 3 stars Herrick. I think so. If I get plus, but if I get minus, so don't mind. Okay, Romy 17FF, welcome to my stream. Tinkai Pater, welcome guys, welcome. How is my voice? Can you hear my voice or not? I don't know, because my microphone problem, so blah 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 blah. Okay, welcome. Target 100 likes. Today I didn't stream in my second channel. I have a problem little bit in setting up that channel, so it takes me a little bit late, I think so, right? What's the time now? Yeah, 6:18. 18 minutes I'm late, so sorry guys. Sorry. Reboy unknown, welcome. Penscam, welcome to my channel. Welcome. Melvin Sowen Snar Gamer, Mr. Sankey, hello, cute girls. Thank you, cute boy. Not cute boy, handsome man. Okay, Demon, why didn't you say something? Abshamo kanya nasa pulay ka comment sa marbangan loot shuan bitok. Yo la kay player master kan master subang na tamba kamya. Ito ka na Mᴏʀᴇ siya ra na. Okay guys, yeah, im sure kat no like kumtung in I so she spa mo medin ngak lam yo stream ani ngam shat bahara ta kataw. I mean to say yesterday I didn't get to stream because I'm not feeling that much well and I need to take rest, but I didn't rest, yeah. I was pushing around. Sorry for that. And I didn't have that much energy to blah 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 with you guys. So let's go. Let's prank kong so tanat bahaka so repeat. Thank you so much. Thank you. Are, boleh gini kita teammates kami keren. Hello, Ba Demon. Hello. Nganit seorang penai bakat R. Okay, yang apat?
Yeah.
Ya lang ra. What about me, Pak Romi? Ani lapun kita ginawan Snar Gamer. Yarapan kiyo le channel nga pila palay video ni amon. Muna nga check ka channel jung fing klampat yu video ay. Reboy unknown, thank you so much. Iban Walang, welcome to the stream. No, I'm so sorry, sister. Now I'm not gonna give you with team code. Oh, bye, stop. I'm not gonna give you with team code tonight because I think so. I'm gonna push my rank a little bit till I reach Herrick 3 star if possible. But if not, then I don't know what should I do because I am noob. Okay, no worry. And please like, share, and subscribe. And those who are visiting my channel, just comment so that I will know who has visited my channel, who haven't yet. And one more thing, let's aim 100 likes first of all, and after that let's see.
Senjo aja भाई बहुत ने मारे मेरे.
Thank you. Bahaya dek dang don nakawin medkit. Oh, nang Khasi lek kini dekat tu. Nang dekat nang tu number Arnold tale. Weru dekat lah.
Ampas ni भाई.
Die rascal. Ayah, he didn't die. Nearly die. Ba Harley Kings. Hello. Ngai pila jan poi heroic 3 star. Are? Why up? How is that possible? Anu penliam lu khat yang ngi si squad tang tu nop. Bom ngak benlong tate.
Kursianu guys.
Thank you so much. Thank you. แต่ละกว่า giveaway นี่งาละกว่าบันไอ giveaway พิเศษบารอตังบางองอัพสตอมชัวdangi para buat ka channel ka kiula kumno ar po subscriber sisngi Raymond tate ka kam watang si po subscriber rubun bakam kiu te takadang ong up shwa ngin saya ain dakala dakila aya poi biang gitu ki peliar barim mo mar mentapat ki ong shanu di kong Dora maybe she is not yet active something like that what Mᴏʀᴇ I am so sorry for that menta kasngi te menta janmet ini push rang shwa kan dia tok la nam la tang banga yap ni kong to tela ikam kai tang karu komarero okay Banzenzo I will add you don't worry you comments your ID after that after I complete streaming then I will invite you kalau kuno ka video quality network is not that much good so I don't know how's my video quality. Coba Harley klik check kalau no. Malah setup actually I give 1080 but I don't know whether it will work or not. Still I get solo kill newbie. Sila tu noob mana yang Kyyʀᴛᴇ dia nom dia na. Dia pro mana? Maybe he is a real player. Mr. Sanki, thank you so much for visiting my channel. Thank you very much. Red Shy Lingdo, this is the first time I saw you on my channel. Welcome. Ba Red Shy Pidesh nong no.
Good job.
And by the way, thank you very much guys for 8k subscriber. Thank you so much once again. Thank you. Agoy datang ka short range from yo hirang alay. Ngaru ngakwa ay da tim kuat nri tambah ay da tim kuat da lagoy la ribu sengang garang sa minus ray. Nama fitip ni am da pay top turu dang yo minus beda. Tu lawan na tu. Real enemy. Now he is coming and now I'm gonna die, I think so. Saban ko siya Pef. Ariyan. Ali's saying, okay, no worry, I'll read your comments first of all. Ba do kanday post saw Whitey, welcome. Adi agi pro tang katay. Nadum to singel apa nickname to nong ay nickname ra. Penbi no ka video ba unbox ya ka PC jong fi. Okay to katala. Yakan mau mo nga namut pila yaklet namut ja la ka ja no. To ai dia lek kai lang bat ngi kinub ani yo pipan minus pat dia pipan minus san pound rupo talaw wai pasap 3 kills 0 kill and 4 kill kalau gum ka ka game kasur kalau gum no ba Harley kahe palat ka yu ne kahe palat kasur ne kahe palat kasur song game ya patay lang inga bas ayu pan VN Lucas lek kai PC ne ho agin ngadang susdang takadaw menang bahare lek kai ru pro bahamo kong Dora. Yes, I am pro, that's why I got 0 kill and I die first. Okay. What about the stream quality, the video quality? How is it? I don't think so it is that much bad, but maybe because of my network, I think so. Actually, it's a normal setup that I used to set up every time. Thank you so much guys. Thank you very much. Thank you. Ba Banzenzo, okay. Kasur lang ko meow. Wow. Really? My voice is like a cat? Oh, how come? So shall I use voice changer or what? Just kidding guys. Never not. Talek kai tong mouse trick kamera. Fila ada bam ni em nè. Kabeh sih ka video quality fila ada bam jane no nè. Bam jamiat mo la kata porta. Andon real enemy try satu. Crazy inside real enemy or what? Oh, baan kush. full nhìn nông bì cũng nốt lòng là cái lăng á hỏi lòng only oh bhai sa minus lang ni sibet dam yo puyang ali dang 0 kill tu pala yo kill tu me yo minus re tanga marway te tres sa minus kaput sibet anyway no worry mo madap sto fast match long mi kum tu ngalala kai du meni precious ngi whole day I was playing game but still my gameplay is not that different, same only like I used to play, right? And I'm sorry for that. I said oh to Discord thing as kia. Ngali said oh to Discord person Discord mersiang ni bumliar Sɣɪʟᴏᴜᴜ nangira ong kum do banding la lahir lekai. Ching lost fee. Sugar kai tang por. Daffy Gamer, welcome sister, welcome to my stream. Single queen, wow. Single queen. Okay, welcome to my stream, sister. Welcome. You're Lysri. Long ni em ban join. Happy. Long. Okay, can come and join. Ani nga ong kumni no ba ahli nga ong kani ka dynamic duo hap siu si spa diamond em ne kum to. Kalat no ngas ngau si spa diamond hap siu day. Sayo ban join dynamic duo ne kum no ne ngam tip datang ba uni account no ba harli pa de kum no nga join dalam dan kam siu ngali at himanga tang su at pathar ne ka long kam long tip dan idea rai ru em ngam pa jupa jra ni dynamic duo kawang mai bat lum bat tram se sok mo kami bang okay guys okay hello my dear teammates, why are you keeping quiet? Why don't you say something? Nakuang na ngali jirukin kubhay sap.
Sorry.
Okay, no worry. So ang team code yo ang join ngam aira team code ngan pecual ada kidon ki online gitu ki squad jonga dengan ada tu ki squad jonga ada ki claim online pada gitu ki squad jonga. I'm gonna give you guys with team code.
पूरा
Okay. Ni nganu pahala ngalak kai PC. Ada baong itu iba snap anda deh dek ada mobile saya stream PC. Tang ba kwa nang patem dek ada PC lo.
ओपनिंग भी
I think maybe it's one squad.
Enemy spot there.
One squad. Oh no. Ngarak Skylar ngarak du ay. Biang hidu.
सामने सामने
Bhai sap.
Yeah,
Ni
good job.
Tu way. Good job kana ay. Okay, tu way. Okay, let me go and revive you first. Bhai sap. Downside also is there. I have token, but I didn't see any Zaka revive here. Kalau amut pan
Drag cannot take loan.
tang ba.
Don't.
Ha.
Can you give me a glow?
I don't have even one also. Okay, down one. Can I kill that guy? Oh my god. One more is coming. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Double kill.
Where is that cutie pie? Oh pie! Headshot or what? Blah. What happened to my game? Why it always stuck like this every time? I didn't even know. What happened to my game? What happened? Again, I have to on it from the beginning. What happened to it? Sorry mo, ni kasakot tala to ka game dong ah. Mendaro man singi kalong to. She's the infant there. Okay, black screen. Like I down mobile P come ibang set WM. Okay, to ngan select kai biar mobile kami bang set WM. Jadi trim. Oh, Daffy Gamer at lang Fedora. Okay, to saat lang yang apa itu star. Okay. Baiklah, habsam yang lang namar bakal bagi ngam tiba balik kalau ngumtu. Balik ini ba Iɪrsᴛ keren kumto. Rare player कैसे मुझे नहीं पता भाई साहब I didn't even know balik kalong kumto ani ngala set up high quality palat imat day mentala stang ya indo ki real player tanpa still kadang sorry it bad by itself oh ba harli penmi tang tu kisem TR chali Malaysia ani भाई साहब no got nothing sa stang away enemy do mana pula ya auto video sini adi mi actually lut cuk takalut lah dia santai oh ya no hi club kan sa stang away shot lupa no hi ani ka stream quality kam best hade kalau ngom no ka stream quality long menit tu yang long na em pinit tu lang yang kalau ngom no ka stream quality kalong normalnya kalong penuh 4 hari batai lang set dan it's okay only one more remaining that's why it's okay you go and kill him no worry hello Miss Flora welcome to my stream
follow me.
What happened? You want to give me something? Oh, thank you so much. Actually, I don't need a extra kill because I am noob. Only 2 kills, so it's enough for me. Actually, I won't get minus. Kabyang hi kabyang hi ka quality oh ka quality. Okay, nice. Shay left away. Hello, Demon. Where is that? Another guy. Hurry. Where is that? I think so on the top of this tree. Andai rush ni lah. Don't you know tip? Saya lihat tahu enemy. Sa alas marui. Ang ni jerong top. Jerong kali daerah. Pape. Where is that enemy? Maybe outside the zone. Umdan na siya jerong ayu. Umdan. Oh, tatalayo. Oh, udah uriang kaya kakataw. Cuman friends. Report CFF ngapa ning Shong? What happened? What happened to your Jingshong? Wih, ni lek one with akmat. Okay. Umdan rah jerong diang. Udan siya item ngam pula. Ngapang mention sifat sis ni ada pwede yang plus tang iway guys up I got only 1 plus outcome. Oh my god 777 but I got ngapuro hale ngayo bun kill ngahania anyway it's just a game, just chill with ma. So okay, I'm gonna give you guys I think so with team code again or my squad, maybe they are online. Let me invite. Where is that? These are pro player takadaw yung push rang lang but kini kam sngotanan. Boleh ba harlim one part? Why don't you come? Yawa, what happened? What happened to you? What happened to you? Okay, so nakapantay gitu kita pan stream, so haban like, pan share, pan subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon, so that you won't miss any update. Let me check what happened to my gameplay. The video quality is not that much good, yaar. You're saying that it's good. Let me check. Oh yeah, it's nice. Perfect. Oh, Harley bhai dan kan mau yang taba Harley dan kan mau ne mi bari foxy. Ni khap nap tamban le kai lang ru omlong se nantangin push run shwa namarnya kan du enemy ru kiba Shutia tang bangi yok minus sibun dan ngamut ban nai kar item put ramen taruh nya push run shwa ali kan poi kunu kumbo master dia nantangin saya air tim put ndai
DORA hello
yes
ये कौन सी कंट्री का लैंग्वेज है
this is my what to say Meghalaya language but it has 3 tribes so I don't know they are speaking in different way of speaking I think so but the way I'm speaking it's my mother tongue Khasi
क्या नाम
My stream started 20 minutes ago. 20 minutes ago, one match is completed. How come? One match 15 minutes or 20 minutes? It's really confusing right now. Bali lagi ni kita khar ki ong nadayat kalish nang nakali pide na ong na po Meghalaya ki tip rata Meghalaya ka na ro nay ga daw mo nga u Jeff dan kan mau ne jin ak Jeff from can you at least tell me where are you from because so many Jeff are there in my friend list so maybe I didn't remember maybe I guessed the wrong one who may know so tell me okay Reborn bye le kai bha le miss pun poi grandmaster no okay ba job len khoi thank you very much oh my god enemy she right wiki di sini tambah ngapat dada ke god ngam nasihat kan ni gun ngam tip kan longkum no tang ba I will try to kill them all if possible mana kan down here I can down enemy do ani dang suki hade ka movement is nei hade movement jonga my movement speed is very poor but what should I do but
Double kill.
Comparing with the first game, with the first match. What the first match? The first time I'm playing PC, then to somehow better, I think so. Ani layo the PCT. Thank you so much for that. After a very long time, 2 years I have been waiting. When will I get PC? But finally. Okay. Anyway, it's not that much good, but somehow I can play better. I think so. Than my first game. Aya! That side also enemy. Ade. Tambah kami yo ro banani yo banashti. Ita banashti. Ini rumbe la. Oh, tata istai. Bhai sab. UEM keyboard player kilang tu, keyboard PC lagi tu kilang tu. Just iPhone 13 meh. What does it mean by that? I face cam. Okay, camera is ready. 3, 2, 1. No, 10,000 subscriber. I will reveal my face. I will stream with face cam. 10,000 subscriber. Okay, chop. If you give full support, then too, it won't take time to reach 10k subscriber. Because now it's 8,000, right? 8,000 subscriber, then too, it won't take more than a year also. So I want you guys to like, share and subscribe, and especially to I need the views actually, but subscriber also. Blah 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 blah. im dera bang lek kai ing haban lek kai lang mat ki ni ki bom dei ki khasi ru khnang ba ka views kan kiu lang na satu ru te dera bang ong bang lek kai bang kwa ra ban lek kai bat phi kam dei rum ta dei nga haban lek kai lang mat ki khnang ki ru lang ta te ki bom dei khasi ru lang ka view ta em ali ngala ai thu iki bang ba dei youtuber te ki ru klai i ka gameplay kum tu klai yok lek kai lang te ki la kwa man pe ya ka gameplay la dia ka long kum tu ta ta ka dang nan kami ka views ken ken so don't mind mo what nom snow ai AG panda I am snar panda how many pandas are there in my stream now my god so many pandas now I see more than 3 pandas Ani Jeff Milliam dah call tu telah block imat oh unir PC player ni Mbak Demon he is very pro he is a pro player very pro player pila kai server ayu mo ngada kai server India I was playing with Indian server many pila kai server invite lang kong daro okay
Sorry.
Serju vai enemy or what ai ulan ru tu bang kapait comment kam tip shoot ang manlan ru siya plus iway de siya minus san po ru po ru takadaw chung so sim
Gambar.
what happened bot player okay
Two players, sir.
no worry I'll go and revive you from this side no worry
Okay.
if I come also I won't be able to reach oh bhai are ngam di shong ngang tay na
Thank you, Devon.
pula nak kaloy imdo
You welcome, bro.
I told you Demon is a pro player not only pro ultra legend okay long la anya em bat nga 1vs1 menta ba fila ale kai PC oh you want to test 1vs1 with Kong Dora okay 1vs1 tang ba bali nga tharai fitting 8 ban up undu ngandala training han rai sita yo ngale kai fila khot 1vs1 no oh bhai you say that it is a pro player I thought it is a real player ade yaar come fast kalong le kai rang happy si menta kendu bot shoot kendu tang bay kendu lang bat ki bot bat ki pro sometime we met pro player sometime we met bot player like that anyway kania ka account pithiet ne kum no kania hoi ni ngara thiet rem kan no lak shu kania ba harli kan no lak ba harli ngathiet ne account no fi ngala klet ultra pro player
Yes, sir.
welcome
Why-
welcome so can any one of you tell me how many likes we have reached now maybe 10 likes yeah 5 likes I guess I have monetized the channel before I have monetized this stream before I start but I don't know whether it's working or not okay no worry let's see I'm sorry my English is broken but uni uwe bahau uni number sa uni uba Demon porba u set sniper ikai no hate u le tu kum no tip ngam tip na u set mdon kamera ban yu kala scope be kum basiat kwek ban to bah ni Khasi te amdan re ba I super chata it's okay
Quadra kill.
it's okay Khasi have hello welcome to my stream welcome tuangan ai lat si senam training bah
Serju token देना हेलो वे
manda pro bat Jeff li bam le kai le ba inya man
token दे भाई token दे
ai por yang api le na ro komputer kembon du tele ngan ai por
wait Dora I am reviving
okay waiting
just a second
le kumno kong Dora fiyo kang imbot.
I got 4 kills.
When you play PC and mobile, okay, at the same time, suppose in your group there are both PC player and mobile player, then you will meet like that type of enemy only. I think so. Pedya di Dahar, I don't understand what are you talking. Hey, I got only 2 kills.
Only 5 alive.
Love you, Dora. Love you too. Love you too. Love you too. I love you too.
I need 1 kill.
Arey, you got so many kills and you still need 1 kill for what? I saw you got so many kills. Kulmar hale no mouse nga don kapor ulong over smooth and kapor pada ulong kumno. Itu pat umlong syura. Jing dang ba aja phi. Kumno ba aja phi ong tang kum phi ong kum ta. Phi laklat se to sien ma pen bam ngai phi khat lai sien la not. Wow. Ujuk kan kai saya ki ultra legend. Ki legend ki ong ngapen bam phi 7 you got 0, I got 7. But remember last time you play with me? That also I'm not a CS player. I'm not a custom player. But that also I win 13 times and you got 0. Oh bhai, maro mujhe maro. Oh, hello Demon. How many kills you got? I got a new.
Yes.
How many kills you got?
5.
Nice.
Only headshot.
Oh bhai, I know because you're pro.
Only player.
Only bot player.
Demon I am ultra noob.
Ultra noob. No worry. No
You
worry.
understand? I am ultra
No
noob.
worry. Now I got a company. Actually,
I am trying. I am trying for better gameplay.
Laban kai. Oh.
Okay, keep
Keren
it up,
na
give it up.
kasi Dora para Khasi ru.
I
Okay
know.
guys, ngan keren lang bat
On the
Khasi
way.
bat kapareng namar ba. Kidon lang bumday
Ares.
Khasi ru tapi kakadaw. Dari ba para Khasi tanga keren na Khasi. Mray kidon lang bumday Khasi.
One for a time. Okay.
Keren lang ano ngani ko.
Play carefully. Hello. Play carefully. Okay. Play carefully.
Okay.
Last was alive.
Arey, take that gun, man. Why don't you take that gun?
Can you spotting it?
Triple
It's a bot.
kill.
I thought it's a pro. You are saying one more squad, but it's a bot. Yora kuat lek kai room challenge lah bat pi. Terus ya, ngapat lah tiye mentah namar ngarang sus dang lek kai PC kan. Ngalek kai mobile ngalak persang lek kai ada ke mobile ru ngamla asyuk ra mentah namar ba ngalak le
Quadra kill.
confused lah kelet usitin oh bahai sab ya. Wan mentah ba nga ha tu makar tu tidak ada biar sini pikir kam nubri tak kai rang ngi ban push rang there about ngalek kai I play game not to challenge anyone. I told you many times that the challenge is between me and myself. I play better than yesterday. That's my biggest victory. Okay. Kung nila plus yang atang IWR. Hello Nathan. Balay menen pi kam le live stream ani menen ngam sngau shat bahala ta kataw. Ngam sngau la he nyara ta kasur benta siru kadang long set day.
Dora, hello.
Yes.
I have to go. Okay.
Okay,
I will join the next match. Okay.
Okay, bye.
I am going for 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. I will join the next match.
Okay.
I will knock you. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Go.
Okay, go. Start sini tu ayu tak ni. Kau Pak Harli come online tak Pak Harli nang push rang tang tak Pak Harli. Anu dah Pak Terence jungi, Terence Hendai.
Dora invite one person.
Oh Pak, oh man, kau nu pilong. Lemtala kumnu nasan long mentala kamjem hoy. I'm feeling a little bit better compared with yesterday. Dek lang pi bat kitur dap ubri ubah hek kan ya am juler ka kam. Kadai mandara. Temen. Hi. Because a dog who barks never bite, but a dog who is silent is very dangerous. Dan bok pinjam nama hoy to. Bye bye, claim your team code. Okay, bye. See you next stream. Bye. Okay, then crazy side. Man, you can do upliar babot tang bau pada kait sudah. Ki ultra kan juga ban challenge juga tang haran. But keyboard one but ngise kong he. I never challenge with anyone because the challenge is only between me and myself. I play better than yesterday. Oh my, that's my biggest victory. Sedang di kelas ni aku menurut em lek, ayu kaplet show dah lek, bak bon mi gamer, anak syongi yang na, aslam lek ngapep kelas 7 nak.
Battle Royale. Battle in style.
Battle in style. Okay, let's go. Ajak ubak di monitor dang ni yok boyan em. Oh, don't sleep. Oh, player ni number light. Number 3 also is a pro player. IG, you are gaming noobry. What does it mean by that? You didn't even know how to spell noobry also. And that also you are saying noob. Wow. Okay, ta parlok atau dan em nak deng jupi bani tu yang akan nu light ni lah apoi ke stream ta jan mit. Tip dan apoi kat nu akan ui dah kalai tak ada.
One squad going peak.
Real player ada? I think so. But Terence सँफ़ि जा last lem ju online shoot fi.
No, only pro.
Oh, I saw her. Your game play bhai. Easy man, easy.
बे अरे एक नूम पाने के लिए जा रही है
Backside also. Backside al ubhai sab finally die. So powerful. They are very powerful squad.
डोरा तू मैं तोड़ के
I don't have token though.
गोइंग
Okay, don't worry. I will go and help you on the side. Now I got 2 blue wall. I thought I got only 1. Hey Dora, balik pim at lang yang keyboard em nga at dia update dah bang at tang ba mentakas ni push rang sya namar ba anang mut poi rek once 3 star nga klempoi rek menin di sini nga klempoi menin nga kami oleh kai bahan te le kai no mentakas ni poi rek 3 star te la di ba long kabala at nga kwa poi shwa master la ni kum ta te alis ni poi star 5 star 6 te long kam shi shiru kom la da le kai ru long kum ta am ni basri man kapot te da inspect ru kam internet and right there. Profile shoot ya. Okay, I got it. Bye mo pot sa training bahal lala premienga. Oh, mo hisap. Nyo aja file kanusin kilala kai ban nga kataru fit ko menjang bumlong net ai daw. Dora ngamlong net ay takadaw visa job jadi bang ngalong net pimla akhirnya ban penlim yang ada di bomlong net bidang yo hitara si sin job haka spasin rai pipat ay le kai la sau sin san sin bidang bam zero bait man ka game ka taro piong na bla 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 haters kada hate but ada You can't stop me. If you want to stop me, then do. You will fail. Yeah, anyone want shotgun? So tenat palat kesur jari kong DORA. Idon tepi iway penara ide am tipre isa imnang raban keren Khasi inang taman keren penar war bat dekar the bat pareng teta kadau piki dan nang kitu kibana syatanyu itu rupi bayon beset lang stream na ngaku aban communicate lang naka kentian ke bai isngu tu mom di sutanat isngu tu ta ya sutu lang at least baro si squad mo ham sutanat o baro si squad baro ki bapak hadi ngakaran lang mat Khasi ru. I communicate both Khasi and English. If you didn't understand Khasi, then I will communicate with English. If you don't understand English, I'm gonna communicate with Khasi. So don't mind. Long banyak tu kas nam jupi stream hoy long malim long la dap ngan sayo asau post nam next year. I will reach 40 years old next year. Okay guys. Ba ui.
Đây là tấm nhân đi cái nào mà
Té là nung mày lại ở sau phô lẹ.
tấm nhân
Legend hệ rồi. Ba Jeff FF ngai ja bo hata ki yo ya pi kan bi ine po stream. Tip rele. Ya long kum nu ni. If you don't want to visit my stream, then you can leave. No worry. But thank you so much for wasting your time in my stream. Thank you very much. But remember, 4 time you lost on me, and that also. Men ngam day mo nga player custom kata rem ＳOᴏᴜᴜ le. ՍＯᴏᴜᴜ bam zero bay kata umla ra man beliam wan kop mental na wan siwan na. Kata ngam day le pro player nga. Dari balik kay custom ni kumbalik Pak Jeff tadi kata kenyok tang skulir day hira try man siap. Kata ka movement kalong kum ni ka gameplay jo nga kata kalong kum ni. Benda day ba julek kay CS later oh bhai. Men kita yo kill ni am.
lại lại
Dang ani. Dang
không nhỉ
Ui.
stream nè
Oh vậy nha stream.
Benar.
Kembali. Saya dia
Không may
baca saya itu bot. Ang kata ngam day rele men player sniper nga.
Double kill.
Ang ngam day player sniper da PC kata
Triple
ana
kill.
wan da PC le ana. Hana pi da PC na nga da mobile. La de tip ba men hakani am po bile kai ibam zero per ՍOᴏᴜᴜ na kadaw am. Ta kadaw le ikot menta da ba ibang apat nang le kai ba ban yo pen bam at least tang iway na te ta kadaw. Sutia le. Kam kaya. Anyway, siya itu bot na yo pen liam man siya away. He die? Did he die? That guy? Where is that guy? Oh, one there. Miss Dora dapin sengaw tenan set ya ki papait karukum keren kum no ba John ngam sutu na. Ngam sutu ref yang kum no. Pi spelling pi pulidak pi nang rete ya ban pulidak ta kada hau pait ha pi mut ban ong kum no ngam sutu ra. You check your comments properly, you check your what's spelling properly because I didn't get it what you mean to say. Kandi ka tuba crazy ula doon. Men pidan siya sinok man ta.
Doon yan kasutnya tanga.
How much skill get you?
ba adu rufi delete friend ba phim jula ban pentam gil dia ba adu pentam kill yuk tahu keren nu breu ta kombar rumah pentam kill hana pentam kill GUILD yo ba adu fi delete friend ngadi lut hi akiba yu yakiba ikibom ju online yakitu kiba pro palat ba pro palat bat bom ler kam yakitu ronga delete hi ikitu ki banang tang ka ben beriau ikitu ki banang tang ka si iki beriau kem tip pat yala di tip hire da ong badah pro yala di ro oi tada kai bun sirukil bun bayap bun hi bayap sirukil taka dawi nga shui jak liaban bu hang tu namar bada di batang makinup ha kawai kan kom ro ka pher pi ndrai bat kan nup kum tu am bat ka keren buit beriau kum tu ka nya ha ka tu Pans DFF, thank you so much for visiting my stream. Thank you very much. Umno la ba jaf mudur o pi community ba. Bangangan accept ya ka offer jong pi ha ba sausin pi la liam kat tar pi menang ra ban khot yang ada kat din ka ba. Jai. La challenge pitip ne ki challenge barawar ka di ban long ready ba ndrai pi pat yala di ru pi ready pi khot challenge ki ba at least no worry ngate nga push rang ngale kai la ka gameplay la jong kilik le ba kitu ki badang ki ba pinai wes kai ka custom room ka jong fi ki ba pirang la ban pen liam tang yo post po Facebook tang yo post po status ki ni push rang shwa ni biaya haga noob la unie uyu hira ba ki import clear la men ni ba jafat pi haga klam tip hira ba delete friend ngam delete friend na tip ba uni dai real account jonga fi tip ne film tip hina ya kataru yo film tip hira bhai sab
Kangkar la mian no na
oh bhai udai le imat agoi tat hapo luwa lu kawang
Quadra kill.
Apa ngari fans uyot deh.
Kadai waong iba John YT ndai la das dang telek brodar ngimla re lek ban syak ban kapur.
Nilit.
Kadai ke baong iba John hoi kadai tang bala da kis tang mla re lek ban syak ban kapur dah. Adi manu tabare mapi. Adi wah kumu fiklat sek bak Jeff. Fiklat sek. Ta kada soongi pi. Kibreu am kikat mau betangnya ka you ya ka mistake juga ya lagi kan mau dah.
Biết mình là
Oi DORA ai super chat te fin le hi ong kat bangi ong em pi dia ngam ko ngu re kat ba pi ong te. Ngam la re ban ko ngu kat ba pi ong te. Because of money I'm not ready to sacrifice my everything. No, never not. Panlang mutkum no panlang Khasi ninja mutkum no mlele la ba ya board me mlele it's okay I do
panlang kemalah itu kailang kan
bale you
panlang kemut dia kailang
oh panlang da kailang oi ha yes
Hello.
yes hello panlang Khasi ninja sa ID jong fi mo sa ID jong thanks sa lek kai lang bat nga ha por mo okay to nda yu ngi push rang si boro si met push rang tang api kwa te pi la ban join push rang boro si met namar por push rang tu tengi si bet ndala adap ka stream tanga invite bet na phang pe ne ha po stream te kam da best ra ban invite lang na phang bro khait te ta daw Namar baka way bang kadang push rang Shopee. Berapa ka profile long ta em alit kan kam internet kita kadang ilek kai patharu tu kam kalong sniudur ka profile kam kenat na. Itu lah ya deh. Dan nang pa pi ong hi kum ta ti pin ong kum no hi bot haba phimla. Ijabo aman wit nya.
Battle Royale.
Live name ta.
Battle instant.
Po live stream hoy. Nga kali utur tip samlaki. Usamlanga. Lol. Wan pen bu Jeff day. Wan pen ra si ti man kesengi bu plian rat. Hai sap. Penras tiu Jeff malakas sengi ani wan pen propose ruhi wan pen accept ruhi tip lanu tip wan pen ya tho engi lagoi le Pachane Jeff, this is your last warning. If you don't know how to behave properly in the stream, you better get out. Don't make me mad and out of control. Otherwise, when I say this thing, that thing, you will never talk to me again. You go your own way. I'm doing on my own way. So, balay jealous Bishni na ba Jeff? Kan hikaya pi kumno ba sa YouTube channel? Kan promote ro. Nilera. I will help you. Don't worry. Don't be jealous. I will help you how to create YouTube channel. I will promote your channel also. Don't worry. Tama first of all penduk syada kami sim Bishni kiway baka tu kami sim pi hujung pi kam bam ri lulu ka bam du ifi. Ko bateran sudi upro tu.
Dia pun ni pro lah.
Bale.
Iya.
Saya lupa. Why? Kuli no hi tu ikan kiway ban kuli warada. Okay. Ya ka phone ni steward phone se wa lagoi de. Never mention my ex name here because yeah. Dari bang ke election ko tu. Shit. Lu sampre hala. Koi. Nak stream beriu ra. Buat pen kan mau mani gitu-gitu. Shit. Kalau orang pada pamja, lagoi ni ba aja pada syutia palat-palat. Namar tu kipuar empor bang ayalang ngabat bat steward ngathare ba aja jelos hale. Lagoi pak kali man kesini tang tere re. Kan mau em ba aja? Kan mau ni em? I'll do everything for you. Oh bye sap. No, I don't need your money, brother. Sorry. I'm not that type of girl. I'm not that type of girl. Brother, maybe you are mistaken with someone else. Okay, dong, anh sai invite. Hỏi dong, anh sai invite đó. Ôi. Ubah head ni betul le umi Jeff. Wait.
Itu enemy lawan.
Tentu kamera.
Dora kabar.
Okay, I'm coming. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much.
Welcome. Come first, enemy spot.
Okay.
Demon is following me just now.
Sama em tu. Unia baca pun ulur ni bah fitip ni am. Kum no film nak ranya pen mana kum tah stream baca. No film nak ranya pen mana kum tah stream ro. Share film nak ranya film thad ya lah dia ni. Nak ranya film thad ya kajing long ren yang lah dia hang ni. Pi tang ma pin respect ikwe ru film nang pi kan mau ni em pi wan ni abat ngasi sian tian si sudah.
Hello, Dora.
Yes.
I said that this is my last match. I have to go.
Okay, no worry.
Mian.
Utu uja bawa bahat fi nadu mensyuar uja bawa bahau pak kali yang anu pusin syuk kam trek re. Tak ada kedno awak kum tai fi. U propose yang atai si tai do mensyuar kam trek re. Kata I'll give you everything. Tapi ucis mday nga katay bit pisa ko Jeff. Jeff daw po. Tibra iha kanong rukam. Manshuim lor ni beri kum tu mentoy rapi. Ta daw. Bale let trela kakam ka jam. Wan lor ni beri kum dia. Penra ayu hi dai miyap nang ni na perthai. Waya kamet la dia ha penra ki beri. Kan sekini kita tien kum tai lor ni sia kajing im ki beri me yo ayu ne. Ime jom me thraim ju kai re me kum no ban buram ki wei dai. Yok mit ngau hanga men. Ngau hanga lor ni be kakam ki wei ru lor ni be yang kasem ki wei ru tak pakai methu. Beri babit ki thu me nga ta bam dere beri babit ta ta ban thu lut jam nga baro em. Get out of the stream.
Help me!
Pimla ban le ya la dia What you bishnire ki wei. If you can beat someone, don't hate them. Join them and become a team. Hi Kong Kong, how are you? I am fine, thank you. What about you, Ba Lamari? Men lại kill em ngay ở tầng uway chỉ bị sợ minus jot lại men.
Yo tang sikir ko temen. Bangai yap nas sedang.
Oh. Juhi. Tang bangam tepiam na tang bangam yo kill ida way ru. Dangi bahabri udah sibri ru em Jeff. Kadur ayu belai te yo let's see pi bakla. Ndai kata kan kan tien ke pikiran bla 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 ka jing lorni ka jing yum ai ru belai ka jing lorni. Dangi bahabrio dangi snubrio ru kadur ayu belai ngi kemen be ya kata. Om lele. Da kum nu lele ndai ka jing lorni ka jing bishni kum ai ru belai. Don't ever try to challenge with a debate player. You would even win even once also.
Enemy spotted!
Wow. Siya terans di Nsoᴍᴜ mata.
Where?
My ping is not good, yeah. My ping is not good. It's working like 500.
Enemy
Now
spotted.
it's working. Now it's working.
Yang penuh yang.
Spotted!
Oh, pero Nsoᴍᴜ ko na kumuna.
Dan sino? Ada mesin sino.
Ulor ni siya tapi ba Apple gaming. Ubalor ni siya tapi umju nang ra ban thia ban dem khlam da yo lor ni brio. La aslam umju yo lor ni show ta daw. Te man ta kasi ula yo lat ban on stream usngau kumba ayu ta usngau kumba. Tharai da ukuran kum tu tharai ngan sngau kum do kum. Ang sngau re na mar ki mi pa ju ki kam hikai bahati u ta daw bok beli. 10 AM. Okay, bye Kong Kong. Ala ada like bye mo. Okay to bye. Thank you so much le ba lamari. Udah ini bisa buat babun men koi tan. Ngari tang yo ada skill sing sang ada ban hirang teng pet god ini undang ka tutu kadan. Gua am dari A dan tengah konsol.
Enemy spotted!
Double kill.
Lagi ni ki dah siap ngain dah ki tahu makan asal wei kawan met sengin dah ki video dia. Support ini maupun.
Triple kill.
Ini sini babon ha nak main player kan tu.
Mega kill.
Enemy spotted.
Pipa shisha kat Jeff
Dominating.
kata. Jeff pipa shisha kat Nsoᴍᴇ.
Enemy spotted.
Lek kai game ru, ya lek kai room ru nu kata laong hana kum niat ya. Perlok. Nada di ba job PM kong DORA siong yang kami santa. Da job ba pi to ngapet thut shurifi. Tadi ba ngajob nga fin hap tre no yang nga. I lap ka khlut da pen bam zero sendan. Ba Jeff. Ani lit. Ani. Sen ai ti ba Jeff juga.
Rampage.
Pak kali samlar hab da shoot thong tat le am nang tre ta ka daw ni tu balai ni tu. Lol.
Killing spree.
Sorry.
Kata bam zero le kai dekat tu ka bakat lai round bam zero le. Mᴏʀᴇ man wajib. Wai sao. Kanu kila yo ngalabong prakil. Iman yo kan nila yo tang sikil tang syak minus tu ada yo. Kanu plus nak like po please lah yo prakil. Arpo ar. No dek kadi ka battle score ka plus arpinyo ka rank score ka plus iwero. Dang yo apat arpo ar plus. Mlele le ba bormi game mlele le umat naik keren le. Naik pensa sendiri la dia dah bakar yang ki breu men pai le ban ya bat kibiet da fian ya bat kibiet la dia rupi kelabiet lang tanau ka baha ba pinayan ya bat kibiet shame tu kloi ba harli kloi bat le sa on ni em kloi ba harli kloi dau ong makan aku nu dak man subscribe tele ka channel jonga film ini lah one subscribe channel jonga ba pelitang uap kanang hadu san minit tele baniyo keren gitu gikentien ulah dep subscribe channel jonga upai tam tu uap sa hadu lanungan yo ayo Khasi DORA FF just search Khasi DORA FF ba demon hello demon just search Khasi DORA FF you will get hampet syu yo obat sangaru lutang kanet ni thank you so much thank you very much guys thank you so much especially the special thank goes to Mr. Jeff for FF yeah because he is the one who inspired me again that no matter what happened I will never give up I shouldn't give up and one more thing thank you so much for knowing a lot about my family members and thank you so much for knowing a lot about me and you have wasting so much time I think so to investigate everything so thank you very much now we met real play I think so oh no still there is a chance to get the boya ni Pak Jeff ni kata rum dia datang kata lada ong do lada fitra engam do sya kan rihok ifi ngan son pan ni yang mejo firu bahai sa kan pan ni yang mejo ngai bet ka wat tekutan terakhir complete the mission, obtain meal, unlock the loot pass.
Battle Royale. Battle in style.
Bro, ba isdang te kumta na kan tay nation rang menu ngasdang. Kiwan comments ning kong PM hani kikentien kiba aja buat. Terus saya aja, nai persiang matap miau rea om baro ki long kale kumba kale mapi. Pan full nang ni hang ni rukin sungop. Kumdera.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
There are many channels are showing. Which one is yours?
Just Khasi DORA FF, you will get my channel.
There are 2 or 3 channels.
Really?
Really?
Just Okay, can you tell me how much subscriber?
One channel थी 43K शायद.
Okay,
Can you
maybe.
give me your channel link? Can you share me your channel link?
Okay, after this match.
Okay.
But how can I? If you search only Khasi DORA, you will get. My name will come out at first.
I searched 2 times, but
Maybe.
result only.
Okay, so that's a problem. Okay, don't worry. Don't worry, I will send you after this.
सूरज किधर गया? Where is? सरजू किधर है? Hello.
Lawai ngaduk kentai haduk kanu hai ba haduk bangapan ni fi. Piong taja filak lat se ani waju persyang ra ban full yang amo. I may forget myself but I can't forget haters because haters are my biggest fan. Oh, did you know that? Haters are my biggest fan. Without haters na ramday na kataw jong ki haters num ayu hira num poi hira sha ai ru. Bapli kini ki bom day ki haters man ki wan visit hi kong nga 1 petang si minute nga late no mo. Okay, no worry, I got 1 minute watch time from you. Okay, no worry. But haters, they watched from the beginning up to the end. You know why? Because you were searching where that girl made mistake, where she talked a little bit something wrong, where she did mistake, so that I will get to give her mean comments. But each and every time that you spend on my YouTube channel, Paisa, thanks a lot. Okay mo puli to i comments yung gitu at baka dai ani ngaruk ngal aklat kaway kalasan bahikai isa yang fitip na isa yung kumni tambah still ngadang feel hi kata kajeng keren ju ingam pala depan penonton yung kumni ngadaw so uyar pipi uyar kelas ya ngong em teman no melipat dawan comments di video lali comments lang andai shish ndai dai ban penjabo ela dia jodai ban penjabo ela dia ndai. Okay, umat ya comment sang tu haban dahun bapeli unang yo lawan I watch time yang ngajing siang la ban I moderator deh ade ban I moderator deh. Keren ya gitu Kıyıᴛᴇ. He see all that words because he want me to accept his challenge again 1vs1 because last time when we play 1vs1 he can beat me. He know that I am a noob but still he can beat me. That also 0 he get na. Then he want that I will challenge him again because now I was playing in PC and I'm still not yet know how to play properly in PC. Then he thought this is my chance, maybe I can defeat her, so let me go and talk this thing that thing so that she will accept my challenge. But you will fail, mister, you will fail. Don't waste your energy here, don't waste your time here. Nay pelut yung internet hani ready sa duupay status sa flash bit. Kyo la siya kali ta. Oh, ta. Da ka day bong ite blue. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Double kill.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Ito so nga na-check nga ikong kapoy ka notification na inanri. Ingat high stream na kanong to. Let me check mo. Oh, hoy, paralog. Kadungot ngidon hani giba views ya ka channel jong dapat nga nani ngidon kadungot nito. How many of you views my channel? How many? Can you guys let me know? Bahay la din na clear mi up. Apa kan check ato ka channel mo ipet kanungot na marba. Okay. Natarik kan di kandian kan site na siya na check channel dashboard kandian. Option mo. Wait guys, be patient little bit, be patient. Let me check how many views are there in my stream presently. Okay, 270.
Triple
270
kill.
views kita ndai ar spa himnyo po the kanya kalong kajingkar parit na kaliang jonga. This is a small request from my side because one of our Khasi girl also is streaming and her channel name is Nandri FF or something like that. Then I want half of you to go and visit her channel also. Please ngayon ika views yung ika duna ba. I request you please go and visit her channel also, please. Please. So bahaban like visit lang yang ka channel jung ikong Nandriru, please paralok please. So ika tukar stream jung ikong Nandri up kandiat. Okay ta. So bahaban like pait lang yang ka channel jung ikong Nandriru pi nga i-stream ta bapalikan rat. Kilit pait lang yang ka channel jung iru para Khasi ngidon kami banya. Nya support lang markaliang. Ladam de bangyarap lang mangite manungin banyarap yi kisa so bahaban
Quadra kill.
la kumnu shi minute sa wan biang ro amlele re kilit pait lang
Good job.
please guys please ngate pagi Khasi jungi kilong kiba baham sim hadu kadata kilong kiba sebut mata bagi badan kami sim support kami sim kan tiulang iwe ndrei mdei mo ba pinshu le siliang ben ongan pait tang kiba mon ndrei em ituru beli dan kami ga jingi rap jong fi so baham ni pait lang ka channel jong i nga i stream ta namar nga adalah dia ngamla ada bandit visit mentang kadang don hapo match ni tamo nga ila dia ngadang stream sama ni ngakam stream ta kadaw de nampo ada bapli ba induna ka views sang nakadaw jong ah te so baham ni visit lang yung channel jong i please guys please. Har channel name Nandri apsyangan pe spelling ada i kumta angas ngo Nandri FF ne kumno itu i wife jong i battery kilit so balik channel jong i mo. Okay, thank you so much guys, thank you for supporting. Thank you very much for supporting me. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hi ma'am, I'm fan. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. Jack027 Fam Aryan or Fam Jack? Oh, Fam Jack, I think so maybe. Oh, I forget, sorry brother. Anyway, thank you so much. Thank you. Demon, you said that my channel doesn't come when you kumum tale. Đây đâu wat kami bit. Oh, Fam Jack, thank you so much for visiting my channel. Thank you. Don enemy siya ni support naman niya. Nandri FF, okay. Em ba alung waryo nga ong ya ka total no nga club ong re ya ka present ya ka ni ka page mentan hi ong ya ka total views jong menta stream poy kan no la jan poy live spa. Okay, we nearly reached 300. Te tang balong kum tamo yarap lang i kong Nandri ru kandian tadangi don hang ni hang live spa te kamud ha ikong Nandri la kumnu don marsteng ken ba jonga don si spa san po ha jong i si spa san po ha jonga. I'm Fam Jack. Okay, nice to meet you. Thank you so much. Hi ma'am, speak in English please. Okay to. Okay, I will communicate in English. And thank you so much Fam Jack for visiting my channel. Thank you very much. How many kill you got? Oh, big dog. The big dog. Number 4. How many kill you got? Can you kill Playo? I got only 4 kill. That also I want that I will get plus more. Welcome, mom. Hamko English sikha do. Okay. But I know only little Hindi. Don't mind. Bice up. Let him come nearby.
Dominating.
Did we get Boya? No, not yet. Okay, now we got Boya. I can this is the third match I think so, and we get Boya third time because my squad are very pro, except me, guys. But no worries. I got only 13 plus. How come? Battle score plus 18 and rank score plus 1. Actually, the total will be 19, but I got only 13. How is this? How about sub 15 kill? Oh no! PR 15 kill. Oh my god! OP gameplay Khasi DORA. Thank you very much. Thank
अबे
you.
তুমি এত করছো তাহলে আমরা কি
হ্যালো
আসতে হবে আমাদের
many
পুরোটা
channel there. Oh bye. So what should I do? Many channel are there. Hello Demon. How can I send you my channel name? How can I send you my channel link? I am in stream right now. Okay, no worry.
you are streaming on your PC, you can share my
Okay. But you can go and check. Okay, let me send you the exact name. I'll send you.
oh you how
I'll send you the exact name. Oh, bhai sab, it's so noisy. Why is that noise? What is that noise? It's so noisy. Really, it's very noisy. Just go and search like that. It will come. Go and search like that. Directly my channel will come. Only one channel. Just click the first one with 8,000 subscribers. It will come. Okay. Harap baik tanggal kai harum day le John Tharai. Oh my god, I am. What do you say, Jack? I don't understand. What are you saying?
okay I got you
Really? Thank you so much. I got it. Okay, let's go. But it's so noisy. I have to off the mic. Okay, don't mind. It's so noisy. Okay, ngalapit tambah. Like I room. Oh, that's a problem. Maybe she's streaming tournament. Am I right? Maybe she's streaming tournament. Chacha, where are you? Oh my god, his face is very dangerous. Dora is on fire.
Battle Royale. Battle in style.
Bye, Miss Dora. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. Love you. The voice is so very low. kata. Chọn tuần đây. Pro players so are there in this match or what? I didn't even see them, but I saw only our squad name in the board. I saw that enemy was just landed, but I didn't have any long range gun, so I have to go and search inside the house. That also short range, right? Where is that long range? Buy some. There is no long range here. Kung nugat ka ni kapik rom na long range ra.
Enemy spotted.
Easy, easy, easy.
Enemy spotted.
OP gameplay by Mr. Big Dog. Love you more, Dora. Okay, love you too, love you too. Tori Kharbuli, hello. Welcome to my stream. Anito mouse yang long num ta. Aya, mouse problem. How is that possible? Okay, so actually I try to set up on my second channel also, because I told you na I will stream on that my second channel 1 hour and I'll stream here the rest of the time, but unlucky today that stream setup doesn't work in that channel and I have to stream in this channel, so we get plenty of time. And today, what's the time now? 7:39. I will off my stream like when I feel tired. Okay. Don't mind because yesterday I didn't get to stream. I know you guys have waited for me, but unlucky. I'm not feeling that much well yesterday. My health also is not good. I'm so tired and exhausted. Maybe because I was pushing rank for yesterday or something. So, nasa kawang la ito. Tori Kharbuli, fideish no na.
Help me!
What I mean to say here is one that is just information, okay? The live giveaway will come anytime, but I won't let you know because I'm gonna give to my subscriber, so I'm not gonna tell you guys when I will give the free giveaway. So only those who visit my channel, only those who watch my stream, then they will know because I will give all the information in the stream. So blah blah blah. Be active. I got it.
Double kill. Triple kill.
I got only 3 kills. How is that possible? Wait, okay, let me set up a little bit. Okay, let's go. Okay, yaar. One more thing I'm gonna tell you, you guys, those who visit my channel every day, this advice is for you. Because I see most of my friends, most of my subscriber, and most of the Khasi YouTuber, especially those who have reached 1K subscribers, something like that. I saw that after reaching 1K subscriber, after reaching 500 subscriber, you left YouTube channel. I don't know why. Is there any problem with that? If you need help, maybe you can share with me and I will do something for you if I can't. But you are just keeping quiet and you didn't share anything. If you have any problem, you didn't share. But because last day, one of my friend, he was telling me, I'm gonna quit YouTube channel because whenever I upload the video, the background music is always contain copyright. So I don't want anymore. It's useless, like this, like that. He was saying, but no, you are mistake. Okay, you are making a very big mistake by quitting that YouTube channel. I'm telling them because one even one views also it counts in watch time. So
Quadra kill.
that's the problem. Actually, I want you to. Oh, I have kept my email on my description, but you guys haven't checked yet. I think so. I said if you have any question, be frank and hit
Someone
me up.
revive me, yaar. No, someone revive me, please.
Okay. You just die now, that's why. So don't be in a hurry. I have only 200 token. How
My
many?
ping, what? My ping is going too high.
Oh,
Sometimes my ping is going too high.
okay, no worry. Your teammate is still alive. They will help you. I don't have token.
That's why.
Okay, I will sit here.
So listen. That's why I call you Habibi.
That's
You are my Habibi.
thank you very much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
They are just like me. 1 years, 40 watch hours. Oh, but actually they must not quit, na. Back to Khasi DORA, Cosbor with Nanri. Okay, no worry. Welcome once again. Sorry.
I am going to live tomorrow. Okay.
Tomorrow. Why you are going to
Sorry,
live
sir.
tomorrow? But I know that you are a YouTuber, but you are hiding.
No.
Secret YouTuber, right? Secret channel. Oh, bye.
No secret.
Secret channel. Maybe
I am
because
just kidding. I am just kidding.
no. Your friend also tell me that you are a YouTuber, and now you are saying kidding. Arey, what happened? I know you are a very big YouTuber the day I met you. Oh, bye. Don't try to lie. Okay, love you. Love you too. Love you too. Love you too. Love you 3. Love you 4. When you do the things you want, money will always follow you. There is one quote to say like that, right? But I was playing Free Fire more than 3 years. Where is my money? I didn't see that you are following me.
Help me!
They are just saying just to make us feel better, right? And one more thing, they say that money can buy happiness. I will tell you that is the bitter truth, but I will expose my secret little bit. I found 1 rupees from the roadside and I smiled whole day. And that's what he said, money can buy happiness. Over greedy can buy happiness, and yeah, that too I believe.
Dominating.
Oh, real player or what?
Give me one second.
Thank you so much for stealing my kill. And let me go and help you.
What? It was headshot.
Really?
Don't finish.
No, I didn't finish it.
I wanna show you him emote.
But
Hello?
I want to revive him. Do you have token?
No. Hello, miss. Hello, miss. Look at me. Hello, miss. Look at me. Hello.
Boring bhai, but do Nandri. Itu Inandri ipenlek kay ayo menta kali ka tournament ne. Menta nga kwalit bisit lang channel jui ta mangarang na stream menta sa kawairu. Nga klam stream menin ta ngamut kan stream kuput menta kamit like 3 hours or 4 hours. Oh my god. This girl is crazy. No worry, I'm crazy because of you.
Dora, you have any sniper?
Sniper mo? Are you asking?
ये नहीं मेरे को स्नाइपर ही चाहिए.
But I don't have to.
Unstoppable.
अरे डोरा यार.
Are Dora yaar, what happened? You get 15 kills last match.
15 5 kills. 15 kills.
Why?
See 15 kills. What the? 15 kills.
How many you got? My god, I got plus only 90.
अबे सब लोग लाइक करके निकलो. सब लोग लाइक करके निकलो.
Don't worry, I always give extra light. Mᴏʀᴇ gamer. Do you have YouTube channel? Maybe I forget. I have subscribed maybe, but I forget. Or maybe I haven't subscribed. So guys. Oh, tournament jong katu ka san kanu hajaram tu yong batri ka digatu ne amnya. Ngana join na ha po group jong ya ha po group jong batrik. Ngakali nga ong kanika group ba join badan kam ayu imya thu Now what's the rule of the group? Okay, in that description I didn't see any rules. Okay, I'm asking, hello admin, I don't know the rule of the group. Can you at least tell me? I'm your old subscriber, but I haven't joined this group. I'm your new member in this group. Can you at least tell me what's means the rule, the aim of the group? But nobody's tell me, so I just think quiet. Crazy inside. Yeah, like I friendly match no. Yeah, 0 kill with Kong Dora. That's 0 kill. What
Battle Royale.
Yes, I have a channel. Warmi Gamer. Yeah, I have subscribed your channel. I have subscribed. Don't worry. The P upload ki jeng roi dan copyright ne ki bom dan ne. Bhai sab asapul Mᴏʀᴇ ngaru Mᴏʀᴇ tu ifi. Actually, I will tell you one story. That is how I became a YouTuber like this. I mean, small YouTuber, not that big also, but okay, it's just my dream that one day I will become a great big YouTuber. But just a dream that will never come true, I think so, but just hope so. And once upon a time I was playing this game, okay, because this game at that time I haven't launched yet, I think so. I was playing, I just download this sniper 3D, this thing, that thing, GTA and like that. So I was just playing with that, and while watching movie also I watch only warrior movie. I mean those who are fighting in the war, that karate movie, this thing, that thing. No, not this romance story, because I don't like romantic story, this thing, that thing, that they will cry, that they will break up, they will suicide, blah. Forget about that, because I really don't like it. And funny also I don't like, so because I don't know, but I love only warrior type of movie. Then I was watching movie also, warrior, everything I did. I was playing game also, only that fighting one. Then one day one of my friend, we go in the restaurant and we are having a very nice day with him. Not only with him, with them, I mean more than 3. Okay, then I saw he was playing Free Fire, and I said, "Arey, that game is blah 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 like that. How does it work? How come you are interested in that?" Then he was saying, actually it is a new game that just launched and it's very nice. When you play, it's like GTA but little bit different. Okay, then he was giving me example like that. Okay, actually it's a vast different. There is a very big difference between Free Fire and GTA, but that definition that he have given me, that example, it's like that. Then I said okay. He said okay, here's you can play with my phone. Then I play with his phone and blah 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 blah, I play. Okay, and when I play, I didn't even know how to run. I didn't even know how to shoot also. But no worry. I was asking which button to shoot, which button, where should I click to run. I didn't even. He said, "Arey, you have 2 eyes and plus you wear spec. So now you became 4 eyes and you didn't even know the icon where to run, where to." I said, "Arey, I'm not asking about that. I'm asking because I'm a new player, okay?" Then he said, "Go home and download this game." I said, "Arey, that time I was using only that internet. I like 2 GB or something mobile, and internet also I didn't have because I used to recharge with a main balance, so only top up." Then I said, "Why are you so greedy? Why are you so stingy? At least give me na. Send me na." Then he sent, and when he sent, when I reached home, but unlucky me, my network is not good. Then I can open. I have to wait for the next day. And when next day come early in the morning, I wake up and
Double kill.
we go for a morning walk along with my friend together, and we are running like anything. So tired, but still they are running twice, thrice, joking like that. But me too. I was sitting and playing that Free Fire. I didn't even know. Then my level is increasing. Okay, from 1 to 2, from 2 to 3 to 4 like that. But how come it's the same only? I'm running in the same playground. I'm shooting the same enemy. But how come? Nah, I was asking. Maybe I thought that it will be like different level. Like one level will be only 5 enemy, another level will be like 6 or 7, something like that. Nah, increase little, like it used to increase in another game. I was thinking like that. Then I called my friend and he was telling me that blah blah blah, you are so kale. You know kale? Kale means you are such a fool that you didn't even know how it works also. Then I said, "Are, it's my first time too, then how can I know?" Then he was telling me like this, like that, do like this, like that. Then after 1 week of playing, 1 week, then I met my friend and my uncle. So I found out that he played that Free Fire. That he played that Free Fire. Then we were playing together. And when we were playing together, I didn't even know how to join guild also that time. I was just playing random only. Then one day I met also many of my friends, but they are pro. I am noob because I was just download that game. It's like, yeah, a week or something, a month maybe. Who may know, maybe a month also. I forget about that, but I want to change my name that time. I'm giving with a
Help
very
me!
very old name and my real name, and that because my name is too long, it can fit everything in that in this nickname space that is given. I saw only half of my name that can't even pronounce also, so it's useless. I want to change my name, but I don't know. That time diamond also we get free, and they like passes, so it's only 400 or something like that, 450 or 400 like that only. Then every day we get 99 diamond by watching some ads. That time we get free diamond, and after that we're playing blah blah blah. I became addicted, okay. Then while I became addicted on this Free Fire, while eating also, I will keep the food aside, I will play and eat. While study also, I'll keep with a book and I will play at the same time. Then it's useless. My study that time it came down because of this game. Then I try to I try to leave this game, okay. I try to quit it. I didn't play anymore. I did deactivate my Facebook account. I thought that maybe if I did it for a week or for a days and I mean for, oh bhai, did you die in a bot? Man, did he die in a bot or something? Oh, sorry, I forget to give extra light. Sorry, it's just double click, that's why. Oh bhai, did we die in a bot player or something? Are that is the justice. Okay, so after that, after playing, after I became addicted to that 1 week, then I deactivated, and after that I log in that Facebook account and I play again because I can't break that bond between me and Free Fire. So due to my addiction, my parents also, they are scolding me too much because of this game. You are a girl, you shouldn't do that. You are a girl, you must sing. You are a girl, you have to study properly. Don't just depend only on others, like maybe one day you will get married and you will have no future. Then how can't you, you don't have any source of income, how can't you feed your children, like this, like that? It's not good that you will just depend on your husband. I said, okay mom, first of all, forget about that husband story of yours, because I'm not interested. It's still small that time. I said, I'm not interested in it, so let me focus on my game. I play like anything, whole day, whole night, even I forget to eat food also. Then I became addicted, right? So one day I start creating my YouTube channel. Is there any one of you who remember my first YouTube channel? My first YouTube channel is B2K Khasi DORA Boss Gaming. Oh my god, the name also is very long. Keteng ru ka bajengai hadu kata-kata bamla hira ban keno ru bala jengai palat ban search rum julap hira. Ya, halak kai la palat YouTube hang tu, la le text hang tu po stream jung Sğɪʟᴏᴜᴜ. I go and chat in Sğɪʟᴏᴜᴜ live gameplay, blah 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 blah. It's Sudip Sarkar or something, their name I don't know. Then Total Gaming, I just go and search their gameplay. Wow, OP gameplay, they are very nice the way they play. But I didn't even know how to play myself also like that. So my friend also, because I am noob, that's why till now also I still remain a noob. They leave me because she said, didn't even know how to play. Yeah, this girl is disgusting, didn't even know how to play, and when she dies she will blah 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 blah. Because that time when you die, it can be revived like used to be, like now it is. So if you die also, no worry, it's easy for us to push a rank or a grandmaster or master. But that time too is very difficult, because once you die means you die, once you eliminate means you eliminate. So we are playing, we are just hiding, pushing our rank, and when I upload the video, every song, each of my video contains copyright.
Battle Royale.
So sad.
Battle in style.
But I don't know that it is a copyright also. Then I'm happy because I don't know. Oh, my channel now, it reached 200 subscribers. Oh my god, amazing. Wow, like that. But mistakenly, I don't know that I did it wrong. Then one of my friend, maybe you guys remember, his name is his gaming channel is ßۆභᴏᴜᴜ Gaming. That is my collaborating channel that I run now. He was telling me everything. Hey Dora, your gameplay is somehow okay, nice, but your YouTube channel, most of the song is a copyright. I said, how do you know? He said, oh, I know, because once upon a time we do it happen like this. Then he was teaching me how to do this thing, that thing. Then I set up my YouTube channel and everything fit and fine. But he said, you better create another one. This one too, it's already useless. So I cry and I create another one. I lost hope like you guys did. That's why you are leaving your channel. I know how it feels. Then I deactivate everything, I delete everything, each and every video I delete. Then after that I sit and cry. Maybe I won't do anymore, I won't create YouTube channel anymore. But that conscience inside me, conscience, you understand, right? It's inner feelings of me. It was telling me, Khasi Dora, what are you doing, like that. Then once you have that dream, then why you keep up, and most of all you are spending time on the game, like that na. Then I realized that yes, that is right. So I create my new channel, and that time when I create it, I know how to set up it fit and fine. And after setting up, then I upload video and everything is perfect. And that new YouTube channel is this channel you are watching right now. And that's why I told you never give up. Blah blah blah. Ini big dog im long net. What happened? Crazy also long net. Big dog also long net. Are they demon? All of them there. I think so. Net problem. Only you and me who play. They are just standing. Oh, now they are playing. Now they are playing. Oh, bhai. Oh, bhai sab. Oh, bhai sab. Oh, bhai sab. Suspicious. Huh? Suspicious mode. Oh, I didn't understand what she's saying. Elisa Lingdo, thank you so much actually for visiting my stream. And once again, what happened to your status? I saw that you are blah 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 crying under your status. What happened? Bye. What happened, Elisa? What happened? What happened? Malaysia, IUP. No, she's crying. I think. Wait, let me call her. Kano kill ayo? Ba, big dog. Oh my god, how many kill you got? Ba, demon, I got only 0 kill. Yaar. Hello, sis? Balay, jai, you to status. Hello? Hello? Sorry.
Sorry.
No, I'm not talking in the game. I was talking to my best friend. What happened to her? Itu Nandri nang stream niya bahar di. Nang stream niya tu Nandri. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Why don't you receive my call? Brother, why don't you receive my call? Bhai sab. Okay. Where are we? I think so. Here there are new real player. Hello? Mᴏʀᴇ ᴇ na brio tamar way. Oops. So sad. Reborn cam kay laway. Boleh lihat tu Elisa call itu SK ni naru ship daw la dom thai. Polygon rat.
Hello Dora, hello Dora.
Yes, hello.
Yeah, where is your face cam?
Where is my face cam? You think that I will stream with my face cam or what? Arey, this boy is crazy. When I reach 10k subscriber, I will stream in my face cam.
I was saying that time I want to see your face.
Don't say that time. You want to see my face? Oh no. That you I think so. What video is there? Short video with my face reveal. With my pic, I think so.
You are such a liar.
Arey, I'm not telling you that I will show my face in stream. I will do stream with face cam. I'm not saying that. I said I will do my face cam when I reach 10k subscriber.
No. You said that I can see you on your live stream.
I no crazy है क्या?
Yes.
अरे पागल है क्या?
पागल नहीं हो तुम, पागल हो यार, इतना झूठ काहे बोलते हो?
अरे यार, I'm not telling that. Okay, you got it all wrong.
Yes.
You got it all wrong. You got it all wrong.
Enemy
You
spotted.
got it all
Stay
wrong.
alert.
I'll never
No,
say
no.
that because I have promised my fans that I'll show my face when I reach 10k subscriber. Maybe you
You are cheated
misunderstood
with
it.
me.
Maybe you misunderstood it. Now you realize, right? Your mistake that you.
No. This is not my mistake. It's your.
Arey, you are blaming me. Actually I told them that I will show my face reveal when I reach 10k subscriber. But you said I want to see your face. I said okay, go and check on my YouTube. I have it. Not that I'm not saying that I have on my live stream. I said on my YouTube. In my YouTube too, I kept it my real
Hey,
face.
he got AWM. What the heck?
Who? Let me help that guy first of
One
all.
in full squad.
Okay, let me help them. Let me help them. Don't worry, be happy.
I am back. I will kill a motherfucker.
Just go and kill lah. Kill them all. Kill them all. Kill them all.
अबे रिवाइव पे अबे सूरभ रिवाइव पे बैठ जा ना भाई.
I'm reviving them. Don't worry.
सूरभ मत जा रिवाइव कर रहा है मत जा. That's why.
Don't worry.
Where is my petty?
What?
Nothing. I said where is my loot box?
What is your loot box?
I need her home.
Why some tiala push rangom niya? Tarazu, I got 0 kill. How many kill you got? Last match we get minus like anything. Tuga match pernah sudah mentan na siya minus jod lengi lah. Why? Hanya bak kami yo ay skill ro. Can I get free blue wall from here? Barley balik man join lang. Balik man join lang. Why? I'm gonna die now. It's my first kill.
Dora, please revive me.
No, I won't.
Why? One enemy. There was two enemy. Come now.
How
Arey.
can I come? How can I come? You didn't say I didn't have anything and that enemy is there upside. He was waiting for me so that he will get to kill me.
He is showing emote.
Okay, no worry.
Bang.
I'll take revenge if possible. But don't trust me that much, otherwise I will die without killing.
He is killing on here.
Oh no! You didn't tell me that he is here!
Full squad. I said it.
Why?
There is full squad. They are camping.
Are?
Heading to supply point.
Maybe his net is not good. Thank God he didn't show me emote. Cô bà Harley. One lại cay lang nó út. One lại cay phi lại cay bắt trong mano. Okay. Tomorrow I'm gonna give it team code, I think so. Okay. Tôi lại ở lái bật bùm lòng nét tôi dội ấy. Ngài dội tông quấy lại dập nổi. That number 4, what happened to him? Long that walk around to how way?
Help me!
Legend is on fire. Okay, it's okay. Resign past lane official. It's okay. Nilera. At lang yang mo. Okay, to. Okay. Legend on fire. After this match, then to I'll give with team code, but only 1 or 2 players have to join because we're gonna play pushing our rank. Yeah, push rank tele masuk. Legend on fire. Siya no. I get 0 kill and you said legend on fire. Nearly die. Okay. Now do we die? Oh, hello, big dog. What happened to you? Big dog? Someone is coming from your backside, and now you die. One la kaya lang no ano.
Alright, I missed the aim position.
I saw. Bye, -20. Okay, no worry. One on item code. One on item code. How do we do?
What should I do?
No worry. It's okay. How many minus you get?
18 minus 1.
Okay, to join kiba comment join. Team code uday lie are not sunlight ﷺ. Lie are not sunlight ﷺ. Lie are not sunlight ﷺ. Okay, bye bye Bormy gamer, bye. Okay, you take this team code 320. Opa big dog pim long that walk remo p. 3205346. 3205346. Okay, come on guys. Let's play. Pak Harley film la kaira. La kaira pi. But no. Okay. Okay, come fast. I'm gonna invite from here. Crazy insight. Masuk why masuk FF I got them no.
No, I will go on blue zone, okay? I need sniper.
Okay, you are a sniper player, I think so.
Then I miss my aim shot.
I saw. You must have killed that guy, but unlucky. You missed your aim and you died.
I was trying for headshot, but enemy is trying for body.
I know. Girl gaming. Hi miss. Hello miss. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my stream. Welcome. Oh, kau masuk pilih pislam pelat. Lah I not team code. Lah I not lah invite nang ni lah I team code pislam pelat ban join dekat tahu nak I not nang ni.
Dora, do you see emote? Come. Where are you?
I'm here.
You see emote?
Yes, you are using flag emote.
But I am see your live stream, but there was no emote.
There is no emote where?
Battle
In live
Royale.
stream.
Oh, there is.
In style.
I am I am on live stream, okay?
Now, thank you very much. Manialam kumno biang mo biang malum malam.
I need to go graveyard side.
Then go. I will land here. You can go.
Okay. When I took 2 sniper, I will come back.
Okay. You will carry the double sniper like B2K.
You got double sniper and
You are a
kill
B2K?
all motherfucker. No, I am B2K. I am not B2K. I am just a player.
But you're.
I am just a noob player.
Arey, no, you are not noob.
I am noob.
You can say that, but you will just say because I have seen your gameplay. Your gameplay is very nice.
That's why I knocked up.
You got that guy. I got 0 kill, but I downed 3 enemy.
I got 1 sniper. That's good.
Oh no.
Yeah. I need 1 more.
You said you got 1 sniper
I got
is
1.
enough, na?
Triple kill.
Select kay bahapon ang sawat. Okay to. All the best, lots of love from Diggle Girl Gaming. Diggle ini kan hay gaming jungi ngampat ju ire channel jung fi. Ngayon itang ito Eagle. Aku apoy master teh habi arang apoy tang hasti asrang. Ani hasti asrang ru pila ayo. Em malak kai lang widon Khasi itu number 4 number sawi di Khasi. Pim join na takadaw hab le kai bansir. Nang ta hoat kan pislam ngala ai da team code pislam. Okay. The push no kan da hi FF push no support grandmaster jong ka BR rang ru.
Guys, you want to say custom 1v1 with me and
Boys.
Dora?
Khasi Dora is a bot player. Why don't you come since okay, bolte. One guy is challenging too much.
Dora, you want to play custom with 1v1?
I want to play custom 1vs1 with you.
Chalo.
No, look.
Let's play custom after this match.
No man, just kidding.
Why? I am noob. Don't worry. I am noob.
Ngambiang perlok te kaju le ba da ohi ngaro ngambiang perlok na takadaw ngampoy master kanika. Iyo kanika.
Guys, hashtag custom laga do.
Kanika iyo ta kanika BR. Fila pet, fila comment.
Need sniper mo.
Delay sapit na mo. Bye sa biang okay to.
Dora, do.
Ha.
I need sniper ammo.
You need sniper ammo. You came from blue zone and you are asking sniper ammo.
Blue zone has no sniper. I got 67 ammo.
Okay. Guys, my vest full broken. Damage full, and it has
Blue zone break up with me. Blue zone is broke up with me.
Wait, okay.
What is enemy?
Boy, tang sun start there. Okay, 5 star flap boy. Chal ya push rang lang no tabro si beta. Chal. Wait, I don't have medkit. Unlock my HPL, so it's very kalan. OP flirting. OP flirting. Brothers, thank you so much. But who is flirting? I don't know, because I'm not a romance girl, so I don't understand when someone is flirting with me also. Then can you tell me who flirt with me?
Yes, I know.
Tell who?
It's demon. That's why he called Habibi.
LOL. LOL has 2 meaning. Lots of love and laugh out loud, right? But one of that meaning.
They understand this, but you they understand it. That's
what
I am saying that.
Habibi,
I am saying that you Habibi, but you don't.
Habibi means my love, right? So
that's why I call it Habibi.
LOL.
Oh,
Why stop?
When you understand.
Hmm?
When you understand.
give you ID. Okay, after this much, I'll give you my ID. Don't worry. What do you say? I don't understand. You got sniper ammo or what?
Yes.
Okay, but I need a medkit. I don't have medkit.
Oh, I have 12
Phi lẹ
medikit.
cay PC mò hỏi thôi nghe lẹ cay đập PC tăng ba mga klem nang lẹ cay dan PC ru lẹ cay tăng ba klem long nang nuk palat
अबे सौरभ दा है तो मेरो ना यार किली बच्चे ना.
really crazy pat nang na lẹ ba legend star man lẹ cay PC ani nang kaleb ha.
Come to me, Dora.
You said that you'll teach me how to use that Discord, but you didn't. Why?
Why? You forget it. I want to see it. I'm saying this. You make a account on Discord. I will.
I have made already. I have made account on Discord already.
Okay. Give me your passport. I have already Discord.
What?
What means?
Bye. Gonna die. Demon, leave her alone, bro. Miss Dora is mine.
Don't. It's mine. It said so.
Yeah, I see. Because you got headshot to a noob player. You can give me headshot. Oh my god. Welcome to my stream. Welcome.
Guys, you wanna see custom 1v1 with
Yes, they want to
Dora?
see custom 1v1 because they already know that their Dora is not a pro player, it's a noob. So they don't want to see.
You are noob, I am ultra noob. Okay.
Are yaar. Level Jongfi kat no kong Dora ka level karya account jong ka poinyo pun reo kan dia ka poinyo play. Na taru tu.
Dora, hello. Your level, how much?
My level 70 something.
Or my?
Your level I think so 80. I have never inspected your
What?
profile.
What the?
Your level is Nabi yaar. Oh my god, only 3 kills and you're stealing my kill. At least you must give me 1 kill
That's
also.
why you are pro.
Oh, by judging the level to bhai. Look pro player.
अबे जियो ना छेड़े दाओ.
Hey brother, la asisha le ban le 1v1 uni tu kaj hale uni ba ba demon te pimla le pelim le udah kaj haune. Brothers, Demon, he was saying 1v1 with me. Whoever win will get Miss Dora.
Okay.
Ni lah he mo ngadang nyuk sau level la kai slem tele da u hi ff ngala le kai la slem ta. Oh, bye. Nice, amazing. Wow. Cover me, otherwise I'm gonna die here. Uneu enemy kawa pa na jerong sing la perta siat ru mio ara.
I got 2 kills.
Help me.
Sure that it's mine. Don't.
No, I got only I got 0 kill this side. Okay. All my total kill is only 3. Oh my god, full headshot.
Quadra kill.
Help me, I need a medkit. No, Dora won't play custom with anyone because he is support player.
Please like.
Wait, I'm having dinner. Okay, brothers, have a nice dinner. How many hours I have spent?
Why? 15 plus. What the?
What? Only 5 plus?
Are kill.
Are only 5 plus. Guys, how is that possible? Okay. Shim to team code. Join. Kan invite nang ni angut. Join the team code. Na barang ahap dan lupa ni angut kanang ba. Ngin kasquad jungi kan client. Okay.
Dora, which what is your username on Discord?
Mᴏʀᴇ pata.
What?
What?
How I find you?
Okay, let me check after this match. No, after this.
Look the left corner. Left the left corner.
Look the left corner. I am in the stream now.
So what?
So what? I am in the
Discord.
stream.
In the Discord.
Still not yet setting up that this what Discord or Discord. Lawan Hɪʟʟs. Actually guys, I want to push my rank, but I don't know, my gameplay is very kelang. I don't know balik kalong kubne ka gameplay jonga. The real player creator balik.
Battle Royale. Battle in style.
Demon, in your areas, how is the weather there?
Rainy.
Oh, bye. So poor weather. But here it's not raining because it's nearly winter. Then no rain anymore. Last night. Next match for me. Okay, Misura. Okay, brothers. But can you at least tell me your real name? I want to know your real name, these brothers.
If you in front of me, I will kill you.
Huh? Why?
Because nothing.
You think that I'm that much weak now that you can kill me easily? No, Street Fighter who me?
Yes.
Street Fighter who?
Street Fighter. That's funny joke, huh?
It's not a joke. It's a reality. It's a truth.
It's joking. It's joking.
It's a truth.
Are you joking? छोटी बच्ची हो क्या?
It's a truth, man.
Are you joking?
Next match, wait for me. Okay, to brother. You can give me with your ID or maybe you can join to team code.
Don't join with her.
Why?
He's such a liar.
Why? I didn't lie.
Lie.
No, maybe you misunderstand.
You lied to me. You said this, I can see your face on your live stream.
Why, sup? Are you crazy? No one sees my face in my live stream. I have never streamed with my face cam. Because I will stream with my face cam when I reach 10k subscriber.
Okay.
Maybe on my birthday, who may know?
Can you send me your photo on Discord?
Didi, can you send me? Can you send Miss? What is it? My friend request. Okay, sure, I will. Don't worry.
Don't take her request. He's such a liar.
Stupid! Be quiet, otherwise I will kill you. If you are in front of me, I will kill you for sure. Really? Oh, really? I will kill you.
Why you are killing me? I am strong. You know?
Strong? Oh, strong.
I am very strong.
I can handle 2 or 3 together at the same time. Don't take me lightly, okay?
No. I am very strong. Very strong.
Okay.
You can't fight me.
Okay, you won. Okay, I lose. Okay. Dora, feel apoy ka no level ka lang po level nyo po. Real account. Nhiều post sao hả? Nhiều post like hơn nhiều account. That means I reach level 76 on my real account and 74 on this account. I mean 73.
Don't believe her, okay? You're such a liar.
No, I don't want anyone to believe me.
Double kill.
I know.
Stone-hearted lady, don't need anyone to believe. Ooh. How many kill you got?
I got 0 kill. How?
Now who is a liar? You or me?
Z. Okay. Let's go to lobby, okay? Let's go lobby.
But
And
I will
check
get
it out.
minus. But I will get minus if I go to the lobby. I don't want to get minus.
I want to see your face.
You want to see
I
my
am so excited.
Okay, then check on that now. There is one short video that I
kill.
upload one of my pic.
Really?
Yeah, one short video is there that I upload my pic.
Okay.
Short video.
I will take that photo and comment on Habibi.
Okay, no worry. I didn't know. What? Follow me on
I will save it
Instagram.
on my. Listen, I save it in my gallery and
Supply point.
I will text on this photo. It's Habibi. Habibi.
Okay.
I will post it on my Instagram. Okay.
Okay, your wish. No worry. Oh, that's the thing. Oh, maybe she is his girlfriend. Oh, now Demon got girlfriend. Lol.
No, I have girlfriend.
You say like that, okay? Say no, she's just my friend. I have a girlfriend. Like that. Then
Yes.
good job. That's my friend. That's my booty. Demon. How can I ask you something?
Yes.
How much your score now? Yeah, you got plus so many, but I got only little bit plus. Yeah, you got plus point like.
I got it. I got same little. My score 3,700 something.
Why stop?
Why?
Miss Dora,
Why
admit
stop?
you. Okay, sure. I will invite you. Don't worry. Give me your ID. Where is that? How many kill you got? Don't lie. Tell me the truth.
0.
Dora, be my Samla. Okay, I will be your Samla. Don't worry.
What means?
Samla means girlfriend.
Well,
That is a lot. Wait, Demon.
not Samla. Listen. Not Samla. You are my Habibi.
Listen now, first of all, yesterday how we met, I think I kill you in rank game. Tanam.
Okay, let's see.
Yesterday I kill you in rank game and you're sending me friend request, I think so.
I want to play with you 1v1 custom. Okay,
Play
after
with
this
me
match.
later and let me help you reach master. Okay, brother. Okay, actually I can do it by myself also, but okay, if you really want to help me, then too I will be very happy.
I got 0 kill. Really? I'm not
Mr.
playing.
Demon is such a liar. Kumno le
I am
empat makar do nga ada tim kod mia join tele le kumno kan.
I am going to PUBG.
Pusrang dam bansi hina bande balay you.
No. Sorry, Dora. I am going to play PUBG.
Okay, nice na.
Free Fire ki maa ki.
You said you didn't have YouTube channel, but blah blah. How come you play so many games?
I am not in a partner program.
Saurabh Kumar, hello Saurav, welcome to my channel to my welcome. Saurav Gaming, Kumar, Saurav Kumar. Okay. Kata-kateng kalau familiar bah. Your name sounds familiar, brother. Maybe this is not your first time. I love you, Dora. I will come to Sora just to meet you. I love you too. Okay, come, we will hang out. But don't worry, the treat will be yours. And I will just spend only my time. But you have to treat me because I love food. But I'm so skinny, I don't know why. Okay. You will come to Sora just to meet me. Oh my god. Wow. Thank you so much. Khasi jong iba push rang di tang gitu jong nong stun tharai jong gitu ki player nong stun ya kan duk menit ki player master player grandmaster. Oh, hide and seek. Oh my god. Are hide and seek.
Oh, this one.
Yes,
Hide and seek. I know hide and seek.
I know him. We met today, right?
Yes.
Oh, welcome, hide and seek. Welcome. What's up? Side team put next message. Okay. Dora lah dah kalau delete friend no hey yang biang mengadup are no ngaklam delete friend re munta. Piklam online try palat ya ka kanus ni piklam online. Itu yang kanus ni piklam online. Dari film online palat expose ni tengah lah delete. Oh mentok kasih ki piklam online ars ni ngila delete ki. Piklam online ars ni. Piklam online kanus ni. Saurav Kumar, welcome to my stream. Welcome. Pies up. Did we kill a real player? I got only 3 kill. Ngayok tang like kill lah why? Dofan me kya?
Quadra kill.
Stop. Stop. Oh my god. Now we got. What do you want? Mantap ni no online. Pi ay kateng ko not even son regam ju delete friend aku munta. Mano ba log in account jang abenen miet?
Plus. What the hell?
How much plus?
2 plus.
You think I'll believe you, Mr. Liar?
What?
I got only 7 plus. How is this happening? What's up? Kung nolak kan ni kaca apa nga I without euro. Okay. So I'm gonna disband the group again and I'm gonna give the team code again. Okay. Terak join ngan invite ikini mo na maring push rang ikini tengan hab invite bait na maring push rang ta kadaw. Te auto team code auto join Kɣɪʟsᴜ join Kɣɪʟ.
Dora.
Uh-huh.
Hello Dora.
Yes.
Don't say it like that.
3600
It feels like pain. It feels like pain.
Line real not our sound. To work.
Habibi.
Ngaklam delete friend re pi. Kamuta. Who invite this? NG.
Random.
Huh? What's up? Are.
Split the group, okay?
Okay, I will disband the group again.
Let's
Don't invite any random here. I'm giving the team code to my subscriber. Okay, join Kɣɪʟ. Kɣɪʟwood. Okay, two-way shot. Kɣɪʟ. Team code uday line real iway. Line real send to be your phone. Okay. Line real iway not real sound real. Line real iway not real sound real. Kum na tay tubok ngaklam ma yun la manin ngaklam online ra men miet mo na ba.
Dora, you wanna play custom?
No.
Please, Habibi.
Wait, let me check first of all. Where is to work? Ngaklam ayun ngaklam la kay game ra manin mano la kay. Ngaklam la kay ra mano ban delete friend ni pi. Rayam ju delete ta. Am ju delete friend ni kini kiba online baik mana kasngi. Kuno kumtaan delete friend if
Dora, listen. If you don't like this, I will not say this again, Habibi.
Oh, you means you are saying that just because you want me to know that I like it or not?
Yes.
Oh, bye. Thank you so much. Are, you are le. Oh wait, don't start please. Are, what happened? Crazy Gaming XY. Oh, Harley, why your nose is ring? Now we met a real. क्या बोलती है? Now we met a real player.
Okay, Dora. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay.
अरे come to me, come to
भाई
me.
आपके मेरा
Magic.
भाई आपके
यार.
फ्रेंड लिस्ट में आना चाहता है ID blah 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 blah. Okay. Dora, I want to challenge
ये
you on
blah
V1
blah.
on custom room.
What is blah 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 blah? What is blah 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 blah?
It's on read message. Wait, don't start please. Okay, Crazy Gaming, you can give me with your ID. I will invite with your ID. Now this is the
Don't request her. Don't request her. Okay.
Battle Royale.
Don't request her.
Battle in
Maybe I was
style.
asleep.
He is such a liar.
Who? Me?
No, evening. It's me.
Can't call me liar, liar. I was too weak to face the truth.
Liar Habibi.
Who is this number one? Silent Surya. Whose friend is this?
I don't know.
Hello, number way. Pidai Khasi na dekat na. Ai đâu ID trong P, ID trong ngau dan hakala stream hatharai. Không phải ID trong ngau dan hata ko stream tharai. Ni oh ini. So kalau nak klik deh. Okay, tangan ngan sa ai tanda dalam mode off sibet ngan sa send ID hang tu hapo ka live chat sampai nang tu mo. One gameplay with me, expert. Okay, but when will be our? You fix the match and you fix the day when we will play together because ngam du la kai baro shisngi ta mga klem tiba ha kuno. Kana ba jikin online? Mentah kan? Oh mentah mentah tengah melak lendat lek ba YouTube game ba gaming pan ba Harley hausan tu ID jong tu. Harley Habibi send ID jong hang tu.
Yeah, Habibi.
Nice, right? I see that girl. She was running this side. But where is that cutie? Oh my god, I got her. I got her so good. Headshot. Itu ID itu tuang tu lasen tu ba Harley pet tu ID. Itu ID. That is my ID. Itu lek ba da UHFF pet tu ID lasen ba Harley yang tu. Oh, 1v1 ini.
Double kill.
1v1 tang 4 lak dah lek dah kan dekat PC dah. Ngan haban training syua nama ngadang kelet ban kawang keluar tu.
Dora, they want 1v1. They want 1v1.
Yes, they want 1vs1 with me.
With you.
But I am noob.
You are not noob. You are ultra pro.
You're making me feeling like I'm a loser now. Come this side, enemies there. Ba Harley lah, point na ngilas amay nos menit telek huri-hura tak tahu. Where is that guy? Upi, najak.
Dora, hello. I want to see your face.
Okay, you check in that short video is there. Short video. Yeah, I upload only my pic. You can see one video only my pic. I upload it.
I want that you sent me.
Triple kill.
I don't have a WhatsApp number. I was using my mom number.
I don't want want to see your photo in video, any video, any
Then
face to face.
I
I
don't
want
have
to see face.
WhatsApp number. I was using my mom's number. When she found out that I give my number to someone, then she will kill me.
Okay, okay. So what? Die.
No, then who will continue to stream on my channel? Heroic one star Kဃɪʟɪḻ baharli ngarula. Isha minus ngali hura ada sha minus lipo.
Listen. What are you saying?
No, I'm
I don't
telling
understand your
that I
language.
got minus again and again.
That's good news.
Kဃɪʟᴜᴜᴜ. Baharli fi page bahau tu ID đây num đây này ông Kဃɪʟᴜᴜᴜ. Sniper. Oh, I'm gonna take this sniper. I won't give you.
Okay. Take it.
Kidding. There is no sniper.
What? You are such a liar.
Sensor, ayo, baharli. Okay, no bhai. Malah show no malah. Tu bahasan baharli yang tu. Layo ini em. Layo ni em tu bahasan baharli. Layo ni em. Miss Dora, add me next match. Okay, I will invite 3 of us and I will give
यार,
one player with
छोड़
the code. Ngala ni tenen tu ngala I show Andre. How come it doesn't appear? Who is this? Who was running from my backside? Oh, silent Surya. Bansi le hab le kai lang mat ki dikhar na marka subscriber ngi dot kam lang mat na ki bom dei ki khasi ru ngi don kam lang nanon khasi ngi ki gamer le janjar le ban yo subscriber tang para khasi na mat bapet ya ka video khasi di tangki gamer khasi ki video ayu kan ki ni ki free fire ai ta ka ngi bansi le ban communicate lang mat ki wai ki jai ben real ndai ra bangi ayu pat long bangi ndai ra bangen ong bangi isi ya ka jai ben real dia kam dai na kom ta ndai ngen hab hi ban su thu na maringi dan kami baka channel jungi kan kruan data kadau ngi dan kam na ki wei ki jet ben real pen man support ni so ko pleshi pun para lok para thank you very much khot lang mo hoi ta ngan sa ai fi da u yu dan team code summer way si join the team code e baro lai gut tengin yang lupa hani na mar ni push rang lai mut manga ni ba demon but ni ba silent ba crazy inside tengin yang lupa po yu squad in I team code tang yei bei brio namar bang push rang ta kadau tele mlong ai pathar ni sha mai na suri hura me ha re ta na
Thanks.
Show up the dot.
how many kill you got don't lie
0.
oh real player PC legend his name PC legend lah kan duk tang ni sian ngam te de po men mit na de ka game play ko nu na thank god bị loot shot tắt lại ngon tay
I have no more tokens.
token to revive him I have 700
Ooh. You want cheap?
oh bhai sab I'm gonna die
That's good news.
wait okay let me give you guys my ID is 1746 8703006
Why? Surya, why?
new UID okay uto
Help me!
ngala ai mo uto and pin message okay I'm gonna pin that message so that you guys will see anyone help him yarap siya ngayon with how like
Please revive him, hello.
I will for sure don't worry
I got 3 kills.
Shan Chanel hello welcome to my channel to my welcome. Okay.
Enemy spotted.
What happened? I don't have token anymore. Arey Diamond, help them. I don't have token anymore.
Token? What is this?
Help them, help them. Accept mo hoy tapi ay kateng gumnu yo. Bye, stop, blah blah blah. I'm gonna die once again. Oh no.
Help me.
They are real player. Very, very dangerous.
Ugh.
Oh bye, oh bye, oh bye. Oh no. Why stop? What is? Oh, where did that guy came? Why stop? Should we up to punch you one? My God, you got 11 kill and you said I got only 3 kill. That proof.
I got 1 kill.
That
Why?
proof that you are a liar.
I am not a liar.
So guys, after this match, I don't know whether I will get to play again or not because I'm so very, very hungry. I want to eat something first of all. So I'm gonna stop streaming 9:30. Okay, after this match we will play one more match and after that I will stop because I'm feeling very, very, very hungry. Sing for me any song please. Oh bye. Sing for me any song please. Okay, I will sing for you, don't worry. But my voice is like a gorilla, so don't mind, don't take it onto your head, otherwise you will have a nightmare. Okay, any song, any Khasi song please. Okay, Mᴏʀᴇ lada pishet kala. अरे यार ngâm năng ra ban roi ngăn lệ cung nô hằng ni ha bên thầy ô cả ba buôn cân thầy ô pet ma pishisni asni ngala yo da iwe oh Kျɪʀᴛᴇ oi persa cung nô pilong. He was calling me like a mother-in-law. How are you, mother-in-law? Lol.
Dora, my game is lagging. My game is lagging.
Oh listen, first of all you do like this, you Demon Bhai, you teach me how to set up my blah blah blah.
It's blah blah blah.
I mean that PC, okay, you teach me how to set up that key, I don't know what they call.
Listen na, it's blah blah blah, it's done. Okay.
Oh Jena Rai, am ngam tip let ban Rai jirai. Khasi ngam du ngap let la jirai Iɪrsᴛ tang ngap tang bangam nang ban Rai jirai Iɪrsᴛ. Arey Demon, how many kill? Aya 13 kill. You didn't give me even 1 kill also. You are killing everything and all enemies by yourself.
What?
Marbot jarwa pidina po mamikit na
I have 3 kills.
It's okay. It's okay. Oh bhai, real player. Ito channel ini okay, flat friend request em dah oi flat friend request ni em. Hai sap bhai. Nampak highlight sih ani. How is that possible?
I have no token, bro.
Bhai sap pula yo je sau kat sau kill leo ni. Okay, Tada konika match ngan sa I know if ida team code. And why instead of helping that crazy inside you're helping me. Hỏi kênh long time na được por school kata kan tak puit lagi Fidan siya naman ta, fidan siya. Shnok niya kung noon ba, marbut. Charwa, adin aslam ba day. Tukipor. Ni. La, aslam ba, hikay. Oh, pahit sap. Are, pula. Abe, yaar. Daddy, why didn't you help that number 3? Crazy. Silencer, yeah, you must have helped him. Actually, he died first. Sorry, yaar. What are you doing? Hi, Khasi, DORA. Oi. Kumdo. Na ngai pila kham la ban play kham bha shu mo kham. Oh, to ngan persyang. Nambar ngadang kali abhat le ban le kai rupi ong bagim play long kumno ha. Te ngamut ban shna bha shu setting ai. Te andala shna bha ke setting ju kini ki mak kharu pro bhat le.
What the hell is motherfucker?
Now you are using slang word. And you said what? You are a good boy. Oh, I'm a good boy. I never use slang word. Bye.
What the hell? I knocked 2 enemies.
You knocked 2 enemies, but are, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die now. I didn't have anything.
Are finish it. Dora, see your right.
Where?
Dora, see your right.
This is my
What
right.
the hell?
This is my right. This is my right side. This is my right side.
Go your right side with the knock.
No. Oh, bye!
You are gone.
I thought I died. That's why I stopped. Only one. I didn't have clue also. To cut bit mau like pat nga daw ko line. Are, I got minus 5.
Oh, 5 at 16. Oh, 10.
How many plus point you get?
I got 14 kills. That's OP.
14 or 16? You didn't even know how to check us. So okay, let me invite you. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna check your ID first of all. Your friend, whether we're sending friend request or not. Where is that, my friend? Where are you, my friend? Where are you? Ini ya? Okay lah, dah. Oh, bye. Hap delete no way. Samthia. Okay, dadapkan ni len ngamut benong len otak ni gue match mo. Dadap tathia no itu kan. Menute. Christian itu menute itu. Itu tu borang no le yong delete friend ngakam delete friend le itu bahaya mum tai we yong nang delete friend haba ngakam delete friend ini no. Upai. Classic god. Haban delete no ini kan bala online class di plat. Crazy god. Crazy god. It's not from here. Where is that crazy god? Nga iyo po mas tam deh. Call me mom. There. Okay. Tashim. Kam lele lada pishat kala. Hang ni ha per thei o ka babun shan rang o pet ma pishi phang at phangala walam dugang. What la cha bi fi pen king one going ten coming. Oh bhai. Say tui ba da uhi ngala invite pi phim one re. Ngala invite pi ba da uhi chanu phim one re. Tu am di ni am.
Hello?
Yes.
I am seeing your live stream.
Oh really? Thank you so much. Thank you. Love you.
Love you too.
I know. I'm talking to the stream. I'm not talking to you.
वो जो भी हो
Okay.
को लगा तुमने मेरे को
Request to be your friends. Are they didn't come? Are ba ada uhi one ngala invite fee. Ba bukan up sama an invite sini bala pa invite adu meni. Oh, no wonder. Okay, no worry. Join no ba bukan. Join no ngala invite fee. Renzo. Renzo. And invite nó come. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, bhai. Let's go. One match. We will go one match with this.
Dora, video quality is not better.
Maybe because of the network issue.
Easy.
Network issue.
Okay. Tomorrow is mine. Okay.
Your stream.
No.
Then?
Nothing.
Iba broken. Kung lo kakam ka jam.
Start. Arey zero ka nahi hai.
Arey, it's working na. Don't cancel. Just leave it. It's working. Trust me. It's working. Trust.
Whom?
Trust me. It's working.
You such a liar.
Mat bapu samrki jong perit ya.
Mat samrki jong no. Roi. Pak broken.
Dora, your sound is coming slowly.
My sound is coming slowly.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Now right.
Đang ra vết. Tao lùi.
Why it doesn't start? But now it's starting. Where is that guy? Who is that Sunday? Oh my god. FFW.
अरे Dora कब तक live करोगे?
When I feel tired, then I will off. After this match, I will off. I think so. After this match, I will off the stream and we will play peacefully.
Good job.
Do you want to play custom?
I want to play custom one. Dora bisa siya nasa siya Sora.
Dora, do you want to play custom?
You teach me how to. You first of all, okay? You teach me how to set up that
macro.
What?
Battle
I will get banned. My ID will be suspended.
So I have, I have it.
Is Aᴅᴅᴜᴜ single? No, no. Okay. Dan baka fin puro ako like Aᴅᴅᴜᴜ. Okay, thank you very much. People there kasi have pisa no.
Do nice single for me, okay? Listen, guys.
Guys, listening. What happened?
Do nice single.
Dora
just
like
for
only
me,
Khasi.
not for you.
She don't like Mᴏʀᴇ. She like only Khasi.
Guys, listen. Dora is single for just me, not just for you.
But Dora like only Khasi. She don't like Mᴏʀᴇ. Then what should you do?
I don't care.
You don't care. Oh my stop. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Hey, how many real player are there here or what?
I think I am gonna die.
But I see real players who are there here.
Real players? I am not fake players. What is real?
Okay, toba have Khasi have ngahap ngamban si na markidon lang.
Listen. Dora, are you a fake player? Dora, are you?
Oh yes,
Are
I
you
am
a
a pig player.
Huh?
Yes, I am a pig player. Bali ini ba ada uhi pim ayo?
Game.
Opo ba player? Ini pile kai bat ki makar mo kong Dora ngamban si te ye nya invite kim wan ngan le kum no.
Are Dora?
Kim code kim join. Aya.
मेरे को लगा टपक जाएगा भाई.
Lah bong ne.
I need max all my Evo
Enemy
guns.
man ane hajrong me Mᴏʀᴜᴜ. Lah here downside. Dia perlu
Dora,
peron
don't
ada
shout.
penega match ngan sa offline no. I mean ngan sa off no ka stream. Yang saya kendu pat la shy kasni. La shy nga persyak man set option to channel jui balung malay along gumtu tipu bhai.
Talking.
Dora
What
ngo
are
invite
you
nang ru
saying?
piklam nga Mᴏʀᴇ ba fin online. Nada.
What?
No,
What?
no, nothing. I was talking to them. Kill that guy.
Listen. What are you saying in your language?
No,
Please don't.
I'm talking to them and blah blah blah. What to say? I don't know.
You are saying something in your language.
Lek
I
kai
don't
pi bat
understand
dekhar
your
tengah
language.
pesu ada ka stream jong fi. Okay, ngak tam lek kai
What?
datang bat ki dekhar, ngak lek kai lambat ki Khasi lol. I'm gonna die.
Lo.
Kan dia kadai tangka. Ini ban number way di Khasi teh fi ong dekhar ne number way ru. Ne number way ru di Khasi teh. Ni dak kai armu. Bahai sab ayang ngau you me. Ayang atuk ya I medkit. Give me one medkit.
Don't give her medkit.
Bye.
Are bro, don't give.
Kadai lek baong Irshan, kadai shisha. Nangi lek kai bandu ru kam lilei
He's such a
lei.
lie. Oh.
By the way, I love Khasi. I don't like makar. Masuk lek kai dah kajeng pumpan si. Kamar bang adon kam subscriber ru kandiat.
Listen.
Ha.
Listen. I like Habibi. Love it.
Hello, Sabir. Give me one medkit.
Don't give her. Don't give her. Bro, don't give her.
I don't know medkit are. Bak perukan I medkit yang akawai lek if you don't ani. Ubak perukan lah yap.
If you give her, I will kill you.
Lek nonta. I lek bak perukan ngan nyerap sini bak perukan juga. Hiar mau perukan salit wat medkit tam yang ah.
Oh, she's calling.
Hiar tu mau hiar. Hihi, I don't want medkit anymore now. I got one. Okay, one first of all. Then another one, two. Artillery padap deh atau
Here is enemy.
2, 3. Lightly lah kan kawang tu jerong.
No enemies. My side. What the hell? Oh, I got one.
Lek kai bet full squad berkasi. Ngi push rang pat ni melak balik sekawai ruk ha ayu dah. Kena lagi lek kai tangkum ni am ka channel ka grow tang para Khasi kum ni. Kamu kiwai ki jat ben riu kami thuk kan ngi episode tu am yang kata am dai dah pangam so tenat ban lek kai Khasi am dai dah kumta. Masuk tenat ban lek kai bat ki Khasi ngakwa ban lek kai para Khasi. Rei tang bangam ban si namar idon kam ban pen he kan channel tu phi kam tam bangin pau lang kiwai ki jat ben riu ru am idon kam pen ban lek kai khle ni bon nom su thuk bakalare phi ong bang sim dai dah kumta. Rei haban ngin haban perkat em at least lah nama tanangi Khasi ngin mla ada ban ai be full support
Dora, you know something? Dora?
ban ong ban 1k 100k
I am feeling boring.
subscriber. Yeah, even me too. Yeah, I'm feeling very very boring. Best channel wai lu le podang le live wai lu. Okay, ngakam khang re brodaya pi khilet pej mlilei. Aklam khang re mlilei. Mlilei dah khilet pej ya ka stream ba wai lu ngakan nu nga dap da ka jing smoke men ka crowd ba pidan lang ta kamin stream support lang Kɣɪʟɪṛ please pun
Please tell me what you're saying.
Enemy spotted.
lek kai no bat ngadora pi ko push rang mamkwa ada bat push rang kwa bangan push bat kill bat rang.
What?
I'm not pushing only my rank, I'm pushing my KD, my headshot rate, my everything.
Please, someone revive me. Hello.
Oh, you died. Amazing. Good job.
What the?
Boring lah one ring. Lek kai kini dekharu boring lah tambah.
Listen, Dora, listen.
Listening.
Double kill.
How I know your picture?
Huh?
You said me that's your picture in a short video. Okay.
I don't have phone number. I don't have my WhatsApp number. I'm using my mom number. When she found out that I give my phone number to someone, she will kill me.
Someone. Just.
Em nge-push lang bat rank lu nge-push bat ka kill lu nge-push bat ka KD lu nge-push bat ka shoot rate.
I don't want to see your face because
I'm ugly as I'm very ugly. So
yes,
you better not to see my face.
you are not beautiful. Okay.
Only gameplay is enough. By the way, I don't need to be beautiful to attract someone. Because those people who look only their face, they are nothing.
They are nothing.
Yeah.
Don't.
Face one day will be wrinkled. One day our body will become old. Then that time, though no matter how beautiful or how handsome you are, but still.
Enemy spotted.
But a beautiful heart always lasts forever. Got it? And this guy is here trying to hide from me, but he can't hide because I'm chasing him from his backside. Come and help me. I'm gonna die.
Enemy spotted.
Triple kill.
Enemy spotted.
Ha, kenyo ayu ba dan lang umba. Ba broken pila ayo kan kill ni.
Enemy spotted. Sorry.
Kan kill ubay.
Enemy spotted. Sorry.
Dan token le uturo.
Okay, demand bro.
Oh no, this guy.
Enemy. No.
Oh no, I don't have medkit. Hi, someone
Demand bro is also knocked. Okay.
Ayah. Are. Udah layap belum nonton. Ngarayo token sauce pak ini di try. Ani. Amlak ban lagi yang lek tu. Pais.
Oh no.
Nakali evit kedam le kawang senan. Okay, Pak Ben scam good night. Have a sweet dream. Oh, but they bu ya okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna off the stream now. I'll see you guys tomorrow. And blah 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 blah. I got minus. Siapa lo siap minus Pak broken? Boleh rumah keren biar ngap jar. Kemudian kan nak keren rumah keren re, dah keren berdekar bawa keren tam. Okay, I'm gonna off the stream now. So good night guys and have a sweet dreams. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Hello.